everyone, welcome to the series Divine Self Little Leaders. This series is about the magical powers these young leaders have. Hello Labdhi,
Hello.
as always, you are looking so majestic with a divine smile on your face. Smile, what happened to you? Are you not happy today?
I'm happy.
Yes, I always love to see your smile. Today, which book you are sharing with us?
The book named All Because of a Cup of Coffee.
Okay, all because of a cup of coffee.
Yes.
What is going to be happen with a cup of coffee?
So this is an adventure book.
Okay, so related to a coffee, adventure will going to happen.
In this, Geronimo Stilton will fall in love because of a coffee.
Oh my God, what this is? Looks like very interesting. Let's go ahead. Okay.
Adventure book. Author of this book is Elena Betadina.
Okay.
The first chapter of this book is All Because of a Cup of Coffee.
Okay.
A cup of coffee. What's a cup of coffee? Got to do with it. Everything. But let me explain. See, that morning I was having breakfast at the Tail Tribe Diner.
Mm-hmm. Who
They
was having a breakfast?
Geronimo Stilton.
Okay, he was having a breakfast.
Yes.
So he went there. Okay.
And he was happily sipping his coffee
Okay.
there, and then some of the mouse spilled coffee on his jacket,
Okay.
and he was soaked. I was foaming. He was foaming.
Okay.
I thrilled. So one more thing in this, buns. They have the best hot cheese buns. Do you like cheese buns?
I like cheese buns. Who have a hot cheese? Who have this hot cheese buns?
The best hot cheese buns have Tail Trap Diner.
Okay,
Has the best.
Okay, Tail Trap Diner is kind of a restaurant that
Mm.
where they are having a best hot cheese buns. Okay, got it.
Yes. But stay away from the Spanish omelette.
Okay.
It's so spicy it will curl your whisk.
Okay. Got it.
A female mouse stood in front of me. No, she just wasn't any mouse. She was the most beautiful mouse in the world.
Okay. So what happened in the first page, like that the main character,
Yes.
who's the main character?
Main character is Geronimo Stilton.
Okay, Geronimo Stilton, he's the main character. So he went
Yes.
to a restaurant, Trail Ride Diner, and there he had a cup of coffee. Okay. Then what happened over there?
Over there, a female mouse spilled coffee.
Okay.
Now let's see what happened.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
A female mouse stood in front of me. No, she just wasn't any mouse. She was the most beautiful mouse in the world. She started at the empty cup. Then she stared at my jacket.
Okay.
So, this is the female mouse,
Mm-hmm.
and this is Geronimo Stilton.
Mm-hmm.
And when he turned around, he saw a female mouse.
Okay.
He saw she was just not any female mouse. She was the most beautiful mouse in the world for him.
Okay.
And she saw her empty cup, and then she saw Geronimo Stilton's jacket.
Okay.
She whispered in a sweet voice, "So sorry,"
Okay.
to Geronimo Stilton.
Mm-hmm.
I tried to speak, but I felt my tongue was tied in a knot.
Okay.
So Geronimo Stilton wanted to say he was very nervous and was he felt like someone has put a knot in his tongue.
Okay. That's
I
interesting.
stunning rodent. She was so charming. She was so sophisticated.
Sophisticated.
Yes, sophisticated. She could have been on the cover of Glomer Mouse.
Okay.
So, Geronimo Stilton was thinking that she is so charming.
Mhm.
She is so sophisticated. And he was thinking, why didn't go in the Glamouse?
Okay.
Glamour Mouse.
Mm-hmm.
My Stilton is name. My Gemino is Stilton. My name is Geronimo Stilton. So he was so nervous inside to see her that he was not able to even
Introduce himself.
introduce himself only.
Okay.
He was saying, my Stilton his name.
But he was not able to speak. That's what I can understand.
Yes.
Yeah.
My Geronimo is Stilton. My name is Geronimo Stilton. I stammered. So he
He was not able to speak nicely.
yes,
so,
his
yeah.
voice was not coming clearly.
Yeah.
I tried to shake her palm, but I slipped on the slipped coffee. I crashed into a table, rats having breakfast. I landed south down in a plate of waffles and whipped cream.
Mm-hmm.
So,
What happened?
so this Geronimo Stilton, his coffee fall down.
Yeah.
On the spilled coffee only he crashed into table where
He slipped and then he crashed into a table. Okay.
yes, he crashed into the table of business rats having a meeting,
Okay.
breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
So one mouse said that in a plate of do you mind? Sniffed the rat. This is a business breakfast. So they told him.
Mm-hmm. So then what happened when he slipped with the spilled coffee? Then what happened to Geronimo?
So the whipped cream
Wiped
of
cream.
wafers
Mhm.
got all over in his eyes.
All over on his eyes or face? If not on face?
Whole.
Okay, over
like
face.
this.
Like a birthday cake we do, you know. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I struggled off, but I couldn't see. I had whipped cream in my eyes. I bumped into another table. This time, 2 bottles of Tabasco sauce got stuck in my nostrils.
Okay.
So this
Something is very weird happened with him. That's what I
yes,
can see.
Geronimo Stilton told that said that I struggled means I got obstacles.
Mm-hmm.
And then again he crashed into the tables.
Mm-hmm.
This time the Tabasco sauce stuck in his nostrils.
That bottles.
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
And then his tail also got in the fan.
Oh my God.
This fan.
Oh, that's very. It's so dangerous for him, yeah.
Yes. Then I hit a wall, a big furry wall.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, watch it fur brain.
Mm-hmm.
The wall glowed. Oh no, that wasn't a wall. It was the bird Brister mouse. So
Okay.
it was the biggest mouse.
Ah.
He was the biggest and the meanest rodent on Mouse Island.
Oh, he was the biggest mouse in the Mouse Island.
Yes.
Oh, bird. What's the name? Bird Brisser.
Yes.
Okay.
This.
Okay, bird Brisser. Okay, wow. Okay, then what happened?
And then suddenly, then that biggest mouse took him in his hands and threw out
Oh,
the door.
he might be got hurt, right?
I landed on a trolley track. I tried to get up, but my tail was stuck in the rails. Just then, I heard the train whistle. Rotten. Rat's teeth! A trolley was headed right for me. Help! I screamed at the top of my lungs.
My God, wow.
So this is Geronimo Stilton. See, his tail is stuck in the rails.
Yeah.
He threw, so he landed on the railway tracks, trolley tracks. So his tail stuck. Then see who helped him.
Who helped him? Tell me.
Then
This first chapter is finding so interesting. What is happening? Yeah, then go ahead. What happened?
the owner of the Funer Green Garden Center ran towards me. Don't panic, Miss Tilton, he shouted. I will save you. I will just stop your tail.
Miss Tilton or Mr.? Who is?
Miss Tilton. So what happened? A gardener ran to him with a big scissor and offered that I will save you. Can I chop your tail? So this Geronimo Stilton refused that no, because he loved his tail and don't want that his tail get chopped.
Okay. Then what he? Then how he got saved?
Saved, and then
Then how he got saved?
then
He
the
don't want to chop his tail. Then
he ran. So he ran on these railway tracks and got over it.
Okay, over the trolley.
Yes, and there a big cut also happened on his face.
Oh my God. Okay.
And a part of my tail I shrink. I rather be run over by the trolley. That's exactly what happened.
Okay. Wow. That's so interesting. Yeah. Lavdi, that's so interesting chapter. So
Okay.
what is a yeah, go ahead.
Chapter 1. This chapter teaches us that small events can sometimes lead to big adventures.
Yeah, that's what I can see. So adventurous, and Geronimo, he was so for me so brave that how he handled every situation, and he came out so amazing.
Big adventures. It also shows that when we feel nervous or excited, we may make funny mistakes.
Yeah.
Like Geronimo Stilton made that my Geronimo is name.
That like stakes, and he slipped over, and that's what happened. Yes.
Geronimo is Stilton. I mean, my name is Geronimo Stilton.
Yeah, I got it. Yes.
Geronimo's kindness, honesty, and service of human help.
Humor. He was humorous, right?
Yes. Thank you for helping. Humoral help line face whose embarrassing moments.
Okay, so he was able to face the embarrassing moments also. He was so powerful and brave.
And
that-
he also faced challenges in his adventures.
Yes, during this his when he went for a coffee, and he went to eat for a burger, basically, and there he faced so many challenges, but without feeling embarrassing, he came out so bravely. That's super.
This chapter leaves readers excited to find out what happens when the weather. Geronimo, the beautiful mouse, again. Will Geronimo find the will Geronimo
Uh-huh.
meet the beautiful mouse again?
Yeah, so he was like looking forward to meet that beautiful
Hmm.
mouse again, and he admired.
And further, in this book only, we will see that Geronimo Stilton ordered for her some chocolates, a box of chocolates,
Oh,
and lots of red roses bushes.
oh my God! So this is like later on he will
And
going to.
when she was not she was being rude to her, so that beautiful mouse was being rude to Geronimo Stilton. He also cried a lot.
Oh my God! This is a later on part. We are
Yes.
looking forward to go ahead and see what will going to happen next. Very
Hmm.
interesting. Okay, so what lesson do you learn from this chapter?
In this chapter, you should always be brave, never give up, and
Mm-hmm.
always um, and always be honest,
Honest. Okay.
and
So
always find a solution on every mistake.
yeah, that's what like he was doing. He was not
Hmm.
leaving everything and just going.
Hmm.
That's so amazing. Why should we stay calm and accident when accidents happen? I'm repeating my question. Why should we have to stay calm when accidents happen?
If we stay calm, we can also get the solution from it.
That's superb. Yes, definitely. If we are not calm, then it's very difficult to figure
Then you
out.
will panic a lot. If
Right.
you will panic, you will not able to find the solution.
Absolutely, that's true. So, tell me, can a small events change someone's life?
Yes.
How?
Can you repeat the question?
Small events can change our life.
Yes.
How it change our life?
They even get converted into big adventures.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And if we go on an adventure, we also get strong enough.
Yeah, that's true because that time where situations are there,
Hmm.
we don't.
Like before we 2 3 days only, the flight crashes. But then also we need to be powerful.
Yeah.
That we should not do that. If this crashes, now we will not go in the flight.
Uh,
But that's a accident.
yeah.
If we
It's
will if we have an important thing, we will not even able to go, but we have to go. We will face challenges.
okay. Very nice. So I have one very interesting question to you from you that if you got a chance, like if you have to ask any question to Geronimo, what your question will be? What you will going to ask from Geronimo?
Geronimo Stilton.
If you have to ask any question to him, what you will going to ask to him? This one will be going to very interesting. You have to tell me.
How did you felt when you were at the railway tracks and your tail got stuck in the railway tracks? How did you felt at that time, and how did you run?
Mm, that's a very interesting question. I think he felt scary, or but he came out very powerfully from that.
And even how did he feel when he crashed in the tables?
Oh, okay, absolutely, I got it. Thank you so much, Labdi. This is such an interesting chapter we have gone through from the book, and thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.